Good day everyone. This video presentation will demonstrate the overall workflow and functionality of our mobile application, Marketly. The application is designed to provide user with a smooth, user-friendly, and efficient shopping experience from account registration up to payment and order information. This is the splash screen or introductory page of the application. It serves as the loading interface that displays the branding and logo of the system before users proceed to the main features of the app. Sign up page. After opening the application, users are directed to the sign up page. This page allows new users to create their personal account by entering their credentials such as email, username, and password. The purpose of this page is to securely register users into the system so they can access all shopping features, all personalized services. Once they are signed up, we're going to the login page. Once the account is successfully created, users can proceed to the login page. Here, registered users enter their login credential to securely access their accounts. This authentication process ensures account privacy and user security within the application. Once after logging in, users are redirected to the home page or product dashboard. This serves as the main interface of the application. On this page, users can browse available products, explore categories, search for items, and view featured products. The homepage is designed with a clean, organized layout to improve navigation and provide a better shopping experience. Product detail page. When users selected specific item, the application opens the product detail page. This page displays complete information about the selected product, including product image, price, description, seller information, and location. These features help users make informed purchasing decisions before proceeding to checkout.
Location. The application also includes a location or map tracking page. These features allows users to monitor delivery routes and track products location in real time. It improves transparency and helps customers stay updated regarding the status of their orders. Seller profile page. The seller profile page provides information about the seller or store owner. User can view seller ratings, product listings, and profile details. This page helps establish trust and credibility between buyers and sellers within the application. Product creation. For, for sellers, the application provides product creation page where they can upload and manage products. Here, sellers can add products, image, descriptions, prices, and categories. The feature allows efficient product management inside the platform. Next is chat. The application also contains a chat or messaging feature. This enables direct communication between buyers and sellers. User can ask questions, negotiate prices, confirm orders, and discuss product concerns in real time. These features enhance customer interaction and provides overall user satisfaction. Next is profile page. The profile page contains the personal information of the user. From this page, users can manage their account details and access order settings within the application. It serves as the central management page for the user's account. Next is Settings page. The Settings page allows users to customize application preference and manage account configuration. User can edit profile information, change passwords, manage payment settings, and adjust applications preference. Payment page will be discussed by John Cesar Gonzalez.
So, the payment page. After selecting products, users proceed to the payment page. This page summarizes the selected items, shipping information, and payment options. The application supports secure payment processing to ensure safe transaction between buyers and sellers. Next is shipping address page. Users are then asked to provide their shipping address information. This page collects delivery details to ensure accurate and successful order shipment. Correct address input is important for efficient delivery operations. Next is payment method selection. The payment method page enables users to choose their preferred payment option, such as credit card, debit card, or digital wallet. This provides flexibility and convenience during checkout. Next is payment processing page. So after confirming the payment, the system processes the transaction. This page informs users that the payment is currently being verified and processed securely. This ensures transparency during the transaction process. So once the payment is done, next is payment success confirmation page. Once the transaction is completed successfully, the application displays the payment confirmation page. This page confirms that the order has been placed successfully and may also provide tracking or receipt information. So we also have about terms, privacy, and language page. So the application also includes additional information pages such as about terms and conditions, privacy policy, and language settings. These pages provide important legal information, user guidelines, and customization options to improve accessibility and user understanding.
In conclusion, the application provides a complete and registered organized shopping workflow starting from users registration, product browsing, communication, payment processing, and order confirmation. The system was designed to deliver convenience, efficiency, security, and user-friendly experience for both buyers and sellers. Thank you for listening to our presentation.